today I am going to show you one of my secret weapons when it comes to sheepshead fishing.
Big piece of shrimp.
On what's that jig?
A bottom sweeper, pink. The best one on the market.
What's up guys, welcome back to another how-to video. I am super stoked. I just got this in the mail. This is Bottom Sweeper Jigs. These things are amazing. I can't stress this enough. These things are amazing. They are a game changer, guys. Captain Dan Schaefer from Insomniac Charters, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll put that down here. But he is the owner of Bottom Sweeper Jigs. I want to thank him for sending me some of these jigs so I could try out. He saw my Sheepshead rig video and he said that I was missing out. So I gave him a try. Man, these things are great. We were fishing the other day and I was using my go-to rigs and I kept missing fish, man. It was one after the other. I was getting them to eat, but you know, I couldn't hook them up for whatever reason. And Harry told me, man, you got to try these things. You got to put this on, you know. So finally I tied it on because I got sick of losing them. And what do you know? Boom, back to back, caught 2 fish right away, yanked them out. So there's definitely something to it. So let me tell you about what I like about these, man. These things, I'm gonna hold it up here so you can see, they have a shorter hook here. So what I've noticed is I can fish structure and stuff like that, rocks, and you can actually feel it bouncing over, and amazing enough, it doesn't get hung up like some of the other bottom sweeper type style jigs and stuff that I've used. I've had a lot of problems with them getting hung up. The other thing that I like about these is I believe the sheepshead, when they come to bite it, they get like the whole thing in their mouth, because I've been hooking these sheepshead in the side and also get them like way up in the roof of their mouth to where their teeth are here. So you know they're getting that in their mouth. I believe the reason that I was missing my fish on the other jigs is that they were getting the jig head in their mouth, and then the way it's set up with the loose hook on the back, they're holding on to it, but when I set the hook, as soon as they open their mouth, it comes out and it doesn't hook them. I do not have that problem as much with these. I highly recommend you guys checking these guys out. I think it is, the website is bottomsweeperjigs.com. I'll put a link down here to those. Make sure to check them out. I'm telling you, these things are a game changer. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up if you got any value out of that video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and comment below with any videos you guys want to see or any techniques that you guys have for sheepshead fishing that work great. If you recommend another brand or anything like that, comment that below so that we can all learn and try these new rigs out. Thanks, see you next time.